Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Modern Warfare 2.0 server is not available due to multiple login errors and how we can fix this up. So many of the users are going through this issue right now, so we're going to talk about how to fix this. So also I'll be providing a link in the description where you can read the same article on our website Get Droid Tips, and we'll be providing a link in the description. So the first step, what you have to do is just have to check whether you're going through any gaming server problems, right? If game is going through any kind of server problem, then most probably we'll be having these kind of trouble. So here I'm right now in the activationsupport.com, where you can see right now they're not going through any kind of issues. It's all platforms are right now online, so they're not having any outage issue. Most probably if they're having, they used to show it here, so they're not having any issue. So this is the first step what you have to do. As a basic step, this is what you have to do, and move to the next one. We just have to restart the game. Right now, as you can see, I'm in the game, right? So what I have to do is just have to close it. Then I just have to wait for a couple of minutes, just launch the game once again, and most probably this might work. That's not 100%, but this might work. And moving to the next one is all about you have to check for local connection issues. As you can see, I'm right connected to the Wi-Fi, so I have to make sure that my Wi-Fi is not expired or it's not having any internet issue. If I'm having the internet issue, then definitely I'll be having the issues with the servers. Moving to the next one is what you have to just install the software updates. This is quite important, not only for the software update, but also what you have to update the game also. So for updating the software, just go over here in the search, and you just have to navigate to settings, and if it's not there, just search for it. And once it is there, you're taken to this, just go for Windows Update, and over here as you can see the updates is failed, so mine is not in the latest version, so I just have to go for retry. Then I have to make sure the Windows 11 is up to date, and that is very good important point, because its software has to be updated simultaneously. The graphic drivers should be updated, or else all these kind of issues, it varies from issues to issues, but it all important factors. And also keep a habit of making sure the game is up to date. For some users, what happens is if you go to the Steam and go to library, right click over here and go to properties, there is an option called update, and if you check this, for some users what happens is they always keep this game updated. So it is not in always keep this game updated, it will be any other two these options, so that is going to make a lot of trouble. So always keep this game updated, in the sense, even if you're playing the game, if your computer is turned it on, if any updates are there, most probably they'll be going through the update and you will be up to date. So that's going to help you guys out when you're trying to play the game. So these are the possible workarounds which you have to try out when you're having this particular issue. Modern Warfare 2.0 server is not available due to multiple login error, and I have to tell you this, the most time this issue happens due to two reasons. One is with the server issue, and another one is with the internet connection. So make sure these two things are working fine. So most probably this happens due to these reasons, and I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.